Welcome to the Swell Advertising System. Today we are going to learn about the Marketing tab on the left-hand menu. So we scroll down to the Marketing tab, click the Marketing. Here we are in the Marketing window. As you can see, this top navigation bar contains several options. First, we have the Social Planner, which allows us to connect all of our social media accounts and schedule or post to any or all of those social media accounts in one place. So you don't have to switch back and forth from TikTok to Instagram to Facebook. You can schedule, post all within this marketing platform. Next, we have the emails drop down. You can set up email campaigns. You can create email templates so that you do not have to continuously make new emails. You can start with a template. Next, we have templates. We won't go over this too much here. We'll save that for another video. Next, we will have trigger links. Trigger links are basically links that you can create and add into your emails or your text messages that people, contacts, customers can click. And so you can send these links to specific pages or landing pages or sites. But the cool thing about trigger links is that you can track and look at the statistics. So if I go to analyze, I can now see who has clicked on this specific trigger link that I called Let's Draw. Since we are in the Hey Kids Let's Draw account, which is a YouTube channel, we created a trigger link. We can see how many clicks were clicked on that Let's Draw trigger link and where they came from and what time and what day. The Affiliate Manager is a drop down. It's basically for affiliates. Yes, you can obtain affiliates. That means people who refer business to you. You can get payments when affiliates sign up under your name, basically. So we want to focus on the Social Planner. We would come in here and connect our Facebook account. Continue. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. And then it'll ask which Facebook accounts do you want to connect. You will scroll down to your business or the specific account. In this case, Hey Kids Let's Draw. That's the only one we need to connect today. It's, as you can see, it's in green, it's connected. We'll X out of that. Next, we'll go to connect Instagram. Which Instagram business or creator account do you want to connect? Once again, we'll search for the Hey Kids Let's Draw Instagram. Make sure we're logged in. We will add that account here. The green check mark says it's connected. X out. Connect TikTok. We can connect your TikTok account here. You can log in and connect your TikTok account if you have one. In this case, we do not. So we will go back to the marketing site. Hit Get Started, and our two social accounts are right here. We can create a new post by clicking on this blue button top right, create new post, create templates. We can create a new post here. I can select the social account that I want to post. I'll select the Facebook and Instagram so I can post to both at once, which is very convenient. Type the content. Hello and thank you for drawing with us on YouTube. And if I wanted to put a link in there, I can create a video. I can create upload videos. I can upload photos. Put a logo in there. I can save for later, or I can post, or I can schedule the post. Let's schedule the post for tomorrow at 3:27 p.m. Schedule the post, and it will go on Hey Kids Let's Draw Facebook, Hey Kids Let's Draw Instagram. So that's a great option right there, the Social Planner. Emails, you can build emails. Here we have a couple of test emails, but you can click New. You can use the design editor, which is drag and drop email building for images, links, text. You can use a plain text editor, which is basically like using any Gmail or Outlook email editor, or you can paste code. The design editor is how you will build something very visual and pleasing. You can start from scratch, come over here, hit this plus sign, you'll have a drop down of all these options. If you want to drop down an image, drag and drop. We'll click in here and come over to the image, hit the edit button. Let's add a logo from our folder. Drag that logo smaller. If we want to add some text, we'll drag this text button, drop, draw with us, add some text. Thank you for drawing with us. I can even insert right here, I can insert one of our trigger links that we talked about. So go to trigger links. I've created this let's draw trigger. So now that if anyone clicks this link, I can track those clicks. Another cool thing is I can bring a button, drag and drop a button right here. Edit that button here. We will say, visit us on YouTube. Change the color of that button. Let's say we want it to be, red, a bright YouTube red, okay. And now, where would we like this button to link to? Link URL, here we go, on the tag. Scroll down to trigger links here, click up my let's draw, and that will now associate with this button. So anytime someone clicks this button, it will take them to this trigger link that we've created, and I can now track all of these clicks. So I'm going to save, I'm going to give this email a title, call it test 2, save it, and I can either send it here or schedule an email. I'm going to send now, sender email. I'm going to say, hey kids, let's draw at Gmail. Sender name is optional, subject line, test 2, and then I can choose a contact by clicking these contacts. I only have one contact in my account right now, so I'm going to select that. Track link, track clicks. Yes, I want to turn that on so I can track the clicks and see the analytics. And I'm going to either save it or send it. I'm going to send it right now. So right now you can see test 2 updated, and it's sending. If I hit the refresh button, it is now sent, and that will take us, and that's basically how you build an email campaign. You can build an email template, create a new template, same thing, design or plain, and that way you can use this email over and over and over. Okay. Next, we talked about the trigger links. Going to show you how I built this let's draw link. I went to add link, I gave it a name, I said let's draw, and then I gave it a URL, hey kids, let's draw. So basically, you name your link, you give it a URL, and it's able to track. And now I can go to these analytics. I can see, I can edit it, or I can see the analytics of these links right here. And that is basically how you use the marketing menu tab. Feel free to explore, use it as you wish, and it is a very, very powerful tool. Thank you for joining us. Swell Advertising Systems.